Okay. The first theorem we're going to talk about is when we have two chords that intersect. We've talked a lot about angle measures and arc measures, but we have not talked about chord lengths. Fun fact number 1. If we have two chords that intersect, then the product of the lengths of the segments of one chord, product means we multiply, equals the product of the length of the two chords, or of the other chord. Okay, so basically, I'm going to say, hey, AE times EB equals EC times ED. It's kind of like a cross. Right? I know. Okay, so you're going to draw a picture. Are you ready? I don't think drawing requires talking. Just a thought. Question, is N the center? No, it is not. This is actually one of my favorite sections because of the algebra that it entails.
Is it a lot of algebra?
Okay, I have two chords inside. Well, chords are inside, but I'm just emphasizing that, hey, they're inside and they intersect, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the product. What are we gonna multiply X by? Okay, X times X plus 4 equals X plus 2 times X plus 1. This product equals this product. Yes, Conway, we need to distribute to make it x squared plus 4x. What do we need to do on the right side?
X squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 2. So it's just x.
Okay, when we have a quadratic, it's probably a good idea. Oh, what happens to my x squareds?
Oh, they minus each other. They cancel out.
So I get,
4 squared equals 2 equals 3.
4x equals 3x plus 2.
X equals 2.
Well, that wasn't so bad. Is this a question or just I'm thinking? Okay. Okay, turn to the next page. We're going to talk about an external secant. Well, a secant and a tangent, essentially. Okay. 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 If we have, This is called a tangent segment. You can figure that out, right? It's a tangent segment. This is a secant. Yes? This is the external segment of the secant. This is the internal segment of the secant. We good? Okay. What? Okay. Yeah. All right, so let's talk about if we have two secant segments. All right. If we have two secant segments, EA times EB equals EC times ED. So, it's the external segment times the whole segment equal to the external segment times the whole segment. Do you see what I mean, Jean?
I get it.
No? Hey,
They're making fun of me.
How would make fun of you?
okay, hey. Draw this picture.
It's actually really good. Don't later.
Okay, draw it.
No. So when are we gonna finish? Because there's like a whole plot twist. So I guess we're finishing it on Monday. But it's based on the room. Where is my drawing so
Pretty sure we're doing like a one thing where you go with partners and you go around the room.
well, it's based on
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. First of all, we have two secants, right? It is important that we know what the whole secant segment is. So what is this secant segment here?
20.
This is 20. What do we call this right here?
10 plus X.
10 plus x. Okay, we're adding it. Okay, so external segment times whole equals external segment times whole.
Wait, this is like the geometry.
Nope,
It's a similarity. It's a similarity.
I don't think so.
Yeah, because like.
Hey, do I see a drawing?
There is no proportion.
I'm just saying like.
All right, solve for x. What? It is. It's gonna storm and hail.
Like during our track meet?
Like doing a track meet?
Probably after.
No! Sorry.
Wait, no, it was at like 5 or 6, so they'll cancel it. Or like,
Yeah, and then we'll just show up for nothing. And then we'll get hailed on our head. It'll be stupid. Hey, so that means.
Did you get x equals 8? What?
This is pretty easy.
Oh, Will, that's me. That's funny.
Okay.
I've seen it help like How did you get to X equals 8? How did you get X equals 8?
Okay. Here's the deal. Did you have a question about that?
Will,
Oh, I did.
Okay. Do you see how this picture looks different? Because one of
One's a
them's a
tangent,
segment, one of them's a secant, one of them's a tangent. Guess what? We solve it the same. External times whole equals external times whole. The kicker is, though, on the tangent, the external segment is the whole segment.
You don't understand.
You don't understand.
Basically.
I was talking to Austin. He said you don't understand. Yeah, that's what he said. He doesn't understand, dude.
Could you please draw this picture? You all are driving me bonkers.
Sure. Yeah.
Pretty sure you can't drive the Boiler's car.
The Malgus car, like
Okay. Again, external times whole equals external times whole. So this guy right here, what's the external? And what's the whole?
5x.
Plus x, please. Over here, what's the external? What's the whole? So 10 times 10.
75 divided by 5.
Austin, how'd you get 20?
I got 15.
What is it, Ollie?
15. Should ask my brother to bring you back.
Okay. What I would like you to do, excuse me, I must have something in my throat. What I would like you to do, set up but don't solve 1. Set up but don't solve 4. I'm going to give you 60 seconds and then we're going to talk through the solving. Set up but don't solve. 1 and 4.
You say it out loud, Conrad. Or you can marry one.
Yes, Conway.
Oh, wait, I need that here. I need that here.
I don't know how to do
What, she said don't solve it. She said don't solve it.
I swear he said a typo.
Aaron was the first to sit down.
I think he did.
Oh, he moved. And then he got into that seat.
What happens if I transfer with Aaron?
I don't think he'll accept it.
Aaron, will you accept my transfer?
Have you set up 1 and 4?
I set up 1.
I set up 1 and 2. How do you do number 2 and number 4?
I did it wrong.
I only have 1. I did not say confused. I used to credit my action. My dad has that. But he keeps speaking. So he's hearing voices.
It's not easy.
No, he's speaking himself. And then he heard me say I'm confused. So I didn't I think we're all.
Oh my goodness. I even circled them. All right. Alex S.
Makes no sense.
X plus 1 equals 6 plus 5.
Okay, thumbs up or thumbs down. Do you agree with Alex? Okay, when we have chords that are intersecting, we just multiply the pieces. Now let's talk about how we solve this. X squared plus X equals 30. Logan, what do we do next? I thought that's why you had your hand up.
Yeah, you subtract 30 from
Oh,
right, and then you make x squared plus x minus 30 equals 0.
okay. Avery, why did he make an emphasis on setting it equal to 0?
Because that's the only.
I'm asking Avery.
Because.
Because we have a,
X squared.
yes, we have a quadratic. Okay. Huh?
just put 5 because 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5 is 30.
We got solved though. Okay, now,
No, it's not.
Conway, what is this factor to? What multiplies to negative 30 but has to 1?
-5 and plus 6.
Okay, so if x minus 5 times x plus 6 equals 0, then x equals 5 and x equals negative 6. Here's the deal. Algebraically, these are our answers. Geometrically, we have to make sure they make sense. Does negative 6 make sense for x and x plus 1 being chord segments? No. Now, if I had x plus 7 and x plus 10, negative 6 is not a problem. But since I have x and x plus 1, negative 6 is a problem. Augie?
Can I just like look at it?
Nope.
And say 5 would fit there?
Nope. You got to do the algebra.
What did that word?
All right. Josh, how'd you set up number 4?
I did x squared plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 5.
What?
That was after you solved it.
X squared plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 5.
No, it's x plus 1.
X plus 1, the quantity squared, equals 5 times x minus 1 is what you're trying to do, right?
Chase, I don't think that's what you
But x plus 1 squared,
It's just x squared.
no, it's x squared plus 2x plus 1.
Oh, I had that on.
And I still disagree. What's that side? X minus 1 times what? 5 plus x minus 1. External times whole.
No, you said
X minus 1. X minus 1 plus 5.
Wouldn't it be plus 4?
That's what that is.
Oh, that's plus 4. I did it wrong.
So we have that, right? Hey, what happens? Yeah. X equals 5. Geometrically, is x equals 5 an appropriate answer? Okay, that's good.
how did you add that one?
Did you see that this is not how you set it up?
It's not.
No. Because it's external times whole.
Oh.
So it's x minus 1.
I hope our test is just good.
When's the reading school? Monday?
Sure. Okay. If you can hear me. Oh, that's not what I said. On page 12 and 13 in your